If your Bambu Lab X series printer suddenly stops feeding filament, especially after changing filament type, chances are there's a broken piece stuck inside the extruder. Start by moving the print bed all the way down to give yourself room to work. Then power off the printer completely. Using a 1.5mm hex key, remove the bolt holding the filament cutter and set it aside. Next, use a 2mm hex key to remove the 3 bolts securing the extruder assembly. Disconnect the cables from the extruder. Then remove the Bowden tube. If the filament is stuck, you may need to snip it at the back of the printer first so the tube can come free. Now you can remove the extruder assembly from the printer. On the extruder itself, remove the 2 bolts holding the nozzle in place and the 4 bolts on the back that secure the gear cover. This next step is the hardest part. To access the blockage, you need to remove the yellow drive gear and its axle. I found the safest method is to use a small metal rod and a light tap with a hammer to carefully push the axle out. Go slowly here, you don't want to bend or damage anything. Once the axle is out, the gear will come free, and you'll be able to see the blob of broken filament inside the extruder. Remove it completely and make sure the path is clear. After that, reassemble everything in reverse order. That's it! Your extruder should now feed filament normally again. Hopefully this helped, and as always, take it slow and work carefully when dealing with printer internals.